Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Editing 24/7. In this video, we are going to be learning how to change video background on PicsArt. Changing the video background on PicsArt involves replacing or modifying the background of your video clip. In order to do that, first of all, open up your PicsArt application on your mobile device. Once you open up the application, click on the See All Plus button at the top left corner and then select a video clip from your device's camera roll. After selecting the video clip, tap on it on the timeline in order to bring up other menu on the bottom. In order to remove your background, click on the Remove BG option at the bottom, wait for a few minutes, and that way you will be able to remove the background on your video. After you are done, you can apply the change by clicking on Apply at the top right. You can then go ahead and drag your video clip within the frame, place it on a desired location, make any final adjustment to ensure that the subject integrates seamlessly with the new background, and that way you will be able to remove your background on your video using PicsArt. To apply the changes, click on Apply at the top right corner, and finally export your video by clicking on the arrow pointing towards the right on the top right corner. Select your desired frame rate, resolution for your video, and if you want to save the video to your device, click on Save at the bottom left. If you want to share it to your friends or other social media platforms, tap on the Share option at the bottom right and follow through the instructions. That is how you will be able to remove or change the background of your video on PicsArt. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.